Hey my friends, we'll be back again with this new video with OSP Pro on how to crack Kaspersky. Now if you try to remember very well, we ended up with you when I was trying to tell that make sure that you uninstall Kaspersky from your machine. Just remember, we happened to go to on uninstall last time, where we happened to uninstall Kaspersky, and if you try to cross check, we uninstalled one known as the Kaspersky security connection, and then the one for total security, the one I actually happened to inform that it uninstall everything. After doing so, I also told that after doing so, make sure you go to your unistall and you type one known as just go there and type one known as rigid, that one there, and if you click there, you should go on this channel, this part of the page. This is it. This is what last time I told you, my friends, that make sure you select one as the local machine, and inside local machine select one as software, and inside software select one as Microsoft, and inside Microsoft go there down and you pick one as certificate, system certificate, and delete one as SPC. This is one which protects, which keeps these certificates of the key, which show that you happen to use that Kaspersky. So to avoid such kind of confusions, you can either just copy this one of them to reuse it, or to simplify everything, just delete this one here, right click and delete all what is there. If I told you are going to use you need another new, yours is expired and want to continue reusing. So after doing so, make sure you come down here and disable this Kaspersky, disable the security. If at all, you will go to settings, and inside the settings you will go to one known as the protection first, and then you can always disable the rest of the stuff, so what you're seeing there. And also here you go to one known as self-defense, where you would also disable this self-defense, disabling the self-defense, disable them. Now after doing so, I told you later on, you can always one known as uninstall all what you have seen there. Now that's that. Now the point is this, that today we happen now to find that ourselves already have Kaspersky there installed. So I just need to activate this one for 30 days so that I can continue using Kaspersky in my machine. So this is one I just after doing so, I recommend you to go to internet. Just go to this part of the channel here, where you just type Kaspersky, and that's it. Just go for trial. You get, so if you just click enter, it will take you to the platform where you'll be in a position to get Kaspersky. Now if you're using Windows, I request you can download for Windows. If you're using Mac, if you're using also Android, you can always go and try to pick one. Now that's it. So I happen to go there and I got this uninstaller, this one here, and I happen to install in my machine, and so far after installation just click run, so the Kaspersky will be running now on your machine. Fine. Now if that's the case, my friends, I would just like now to tell you this what so far after installation, as you know, this is what I happen to get. So I just have to click here now. I click here so that I get the one for 30 days. So you can always say that now you can see the trial version of the application is installed. So 30 days remaining after the successful, the application financial will be disabled to keep your computer protected. You should purchase a license. Now don't worry about license and don't worry about the code. After every 30 days we can always reuse our Kaspersky. So that's it, my friends. Always don't forget now to subscribe to my channel. That's the best way how you can always reuse Kaspersky in your machine continuously, just like what you can see on my machine now. I can always reuse Kaspersky and I can always continue using it. So that's it, my friends. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to OSP channel. Love you all. Thank you.